Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have an easy job. We have a Dell laptop that needs to have the keyboard changed because it's missing a key and it's in wrong format. I got for this another keyboard that is in international format. So let's get to it. First, take off the battery. It's very important. Okay, the battery is out. Then we do like this. Take this prying tool and insert it in here, and easy. Okay. Okay. And from this side. Okay. And take this. Okay. We take this frame out first. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Okay. We take this and this. No, not this one. This one. Okay. Remember how you took the screws out, because as I told you before, they can be different length and you don't want to mess them up. Okay. Okay, so in this case, I believe we are lucky. They are all the same. We have no problems. Yep, they're all the same. Okay. Now okay, the keyboard is stuck in this, and this. So you do it a little bit like this, and a little bit like this, like this, and like this. Okay. Let me see what's is holding the keyboard. I believe we have a screw that I missed. Let me check. So this is the keyboard, and yeah, we actually do have some screws. Okay, these two screws right here, I can put them back because you don't need to take them out. So this one goes back and this one goes back. Okay, let's see where are the 4 screws. So let's take this 1, 2, 3, 4 screws out and see if we need something more. Okay. Okay. As you can see here, there's the markings. This is a keyboard mark and another keyboard mark, which means we have to take these 2 screws out. Okay. Let's see if that is enough or we need to go further. One is out. The other one doesn't want to go out. Okay. Yep. Okay. We have this ribbon right here. We need to carefully take this one out. That's it. This is the old keyboard. Let's put back the new one. Let's see if we have any dust in here. No, it's okay. Okay. So okay, they're the same. So we put the keyboard first, the ribbon. Okay. Then we slide these 3 fins in here like this. Then we push this here and this here and here. We can put back the screws. Okay, let's put the frame back. Easy, so you don't break these little pins or you'll have problems putting this back, so don't force it. Voila, it's all good. So we're moving back. We screw back these 2 screws and we screw this also back. Okay, let me put back the battery. That's it. I hope you like it, guys. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, and have a nice day.